The relationship between Somizi and Titimba must have been one of the most envied relationships, most loved relationships between a straight man, and a gay man. They were very close. They were like brothers at the same time. They were like a married couple because they were always fighting all the time. This is a clip that Titi shared on his Instagram saying that Somizi was being a drama queen, was being a diva like he always is, because he literally threw him with a drink while they were on one of their dates because he kept taking calls. And people were like, but then you are also wrong. You can't be taking calls when you're on a date with someone, especially when they invite you. You can't be taking work calls or whatever the case may be. You are being wrong. Maybe Somizi was being a diva because he literally threw a drink on him and then walked out. I understand why they would never worked out. Here's the video.
No, when I'm on phone for business, I will no, you don't. You tell me which will SMS of but you can't call me on the phone and to go and check the if I could change one thing, if only I could like flavors into seven Sunday and this name. What's so cranky anyway, so I might as well to have the same lunch. This is the last time. No, this one I have to. Sorry, I have to. Smooth! I'm in a meeting with a client. Smooth!
They had expressed an interest to buy two now. So he was a big client.
I'm in a meeting with a client. Smooth! Hello?
Please be text.
Smooth! I'm gonna text you now. Smooth!
Can you say the text?
You know I'm not going to text.
I don't think people when they think, Titi's actual, we fight like a couple.
Tell me for now.
No, don't finish. I literally. You want to put them at his own.
Yeah,
no, the police man put them
because it's a phony.
Oh my God!
It's a phony. But when you get briefed, so I want to stop you.
No, I don't.
All the time.
I will never not take a call because I'm not so busy. So I don't feel bad to be on the phone.
It's all explained. I need to take you there so that you can have a look at the stands. It's about an hour from here.
Can I actually find two different names?
Yeah.
Right?
As long as you pay.
And then Titi, you answer that phone.
Titi, through.
Titi, through. Titi, through. Titi, Titi, through. Don't answer the phone. You're wasting my time. Don't answer the phone.